Today, I take you to be my wife. I join my life with yours. I promise to love you and to honor you.
To treasure you and to respect you. To walk with you side by side.
I vow to be honest, caring, and truthful.
To love you as you are and not as I want you to be.
And to grow old by your side.
I give you my hand and my love from this day forward.
I, Johnny, give you, Nina, this ring as a symbol of my enduring love.
So you complete me.
Welcome back to our channel and welcome to the part 3 of our Carnival Breeze cruise vlog. We have not mentioned that in this cruise we also celebrated our second year wedding anniversary. Our day in San Juan is a free and easy day. I wasn't expecting that much in San Juan, but it took me by surprise. Old San Juan is beautiful. It is a place of narrow cobbled streets and blocks of well-preserved colonial architecture where you can glimpse a microcosmic vision of the entire post-Columbian history of the Americas. This is Colon Plaza. The highlight of this place is the statue of Christopher Columbus standing on top of a pillar with ships and sea serpents coming out of the base. Por su constancia, amor y felicidad, es muy noble y muy leal esta ciudad. Old San Juan is a 465-year-old neighborhood, originally conceived as a military stronghold. It is contained within a 7-square block and includes more than 400 carefully restored 16th and 17th century Spanish colonial buildings. Old San Juan is the oldest settlement within Puerto Rico and the historic colonial section of the city of San Juan. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also listed on National Register of Historic Places and a National Historic Landmark District. Old San Juan is not a big area, and the best way to fully submerge yourself into its culture is walking through its streets. You want to see all the details, the architecture, people, food, and street life. Most attractions are within walking distance of each other. This is Fortaleza Street, where you will see these beautiful floating umbrellas. They are so pretty and definitely Instagram worthy. You'll also see a variety of stores, restaurants, hotels, and well-maintained cobblestones in this street. La Fortaleza is the official residence of the governor of Puerto Rico. It was built between 1533 and 1540 to defend the harbor of San Juan. The structure is also known as Palacio de Santa Catalina. It's hard to imagine looking at this architecturally stunning building that it was officially built as a defense system for San Juan. What's visible now is a remodeled neoclassical governor's mansion instead of a military structure and the oldest continuing administrative building in the Western world. Villa del Cristo is a Puerto Rican landmark. It was originally built in 1753 and is a small but quaint historic chapel. The entrance has a large wrought iron gate and a small single church bell adorns the rooftop. Next to it is the Parque de las Palomas. This nice little park has hundreds of fearless pigeons. This area is great for photos. Oh, just be ready because these fun pigeons will land on your head and arms. Bags of corn are available for purchase from vendors outside the park if you want to feed them. In most gift shops, you can buy these handcrafted ceramic tile house letters. Johnny and I love them so much, we bought some for our house. So that's it for Puerto Rico. We walked almost 7 hours under the sun. It was tiring but definitely worth it. See you again on our next video.